With favorable financing conditions prevailing and a powerful economic rebound underway, we enter 2022 largely with positive credit momentum. This is the view from a highly trusted name in business and market risk. Views like these, however, could become irrelevant quickly without real-time insights. Hello everyone, my name is Gerrit Becker and I'm part of the data science team at Experian. Our team focuses on turning innovation and advanced analytics and alternative data into usable client solutions. In 2017, we launched a complementary SME credit risk solution called Web Data Insights. Web Data Insights uses publicly available data that includes websites where a company is mentioned, where a company is located, how contactable the company is, and what customers are saying about it. Using advanced analytical techniques and positive and negative web profiles are created that forms the basis of our custom and generic SME risk models. These web-based risk solutions can be used to automate manual checks or provide risk scores for prospecting, origination, fraud and customer management. Web Data Insights provide credit metrics that are uncorrelated to traditional financial and payment variables, resulting in a more apt and predictive credit insight. As Web Data Insights uses real-time data, risk metrics are reflective of current market conditions. The output is in the form of a single risk score or index, or a set of risk features that is accessed via API call that can be easily incorporated into existing credit models and processes. Web Data Insights offer a high level of explainability to ensure compliance and fairness. We have developed models in most European markets and follow the same methodology, and we use the same data sources. The risk metrics are therefore consistent and comparable from country to country. This is beneficial for regional lenders. These models do not only help our clients make better credit decisions, but they also provide excellent insight under changing market conditions. The pandemic provided us with a unique opportunity to test and calibrate our SME risk credit metrics, and I can share some key observations in this regard. Firstly, we observed a significant and general disruption in business activity. Company sectors and segments that were impacted first by the pandemic are also the ones that are taking the longest to recover. Finally, the structural disruptions caused by the pandemic are still very much evident and unfolding. Although we have observed a recovery in risk scores in recent months, with even some segments returning to pre-pandemic risk levels, most scores remain elevated. Business balance sheets have been compromised by the pandemic, and these businesses are less resilient to weather higher inflation, lower demand, and higher taxes as support unwinds. Experian's Web Data Batch Solutions provides real-time insights on which companies in your portfolio are most likely to fail over the next 12 to 18 months. Benchmarking your portfolio's risk against relevant SME sectors and segments will allow you to observe risk trends specifically to your portfolio's composition. These insights can be updated quarterly or monthly if you need to monitor your portfolio closely. Our batch solution will substantiate your expert business knowledge with reliable and tested risk metrics to help you make the correct decision at the right time. Experian can help you make better credit decisions on new applications by providing you with new perspectives on credit risk and advice on how to use this optimally within your existing assessment process so you can increase acceptance rates and reduce default rates. Web Data Insights and Experian Business Bureau risk solutions are available in most European markets. Thank you for listening to Experian Analytics Academy, insights that impact. Check out the other topics in our academy that might be of interest, and do not forget to subscribe to our newsletter.